Hi everyone! I just wanted to drop a little video about your monthly campus attendance. This is due every month and you will be submitting this in your music teacher dashboard. But there is a way for you to make this pretty simple. So I want to give you the best way to make this just part of your daily routine and find submitting this something that comes naturally and easy to you. So, monthly attendance. If you go to your dashboard, you see that at the end of every month, here's September, it has monthly campus attendance. When you click on the link to submit, it takes you right to the tab. It may look overwhelming, but it's not. Hopefully it's not for you. There are multiple sections if you have multiple campuses. If you only have a single campus, like I do, you can feel free to customize and delete the rest of those so you don't have to worry about anything but looking at one. So you'll go to the top and enter your campus name. And if you have multiple campuses, of course, you're going to do that for each campus. If you have an ensemble, you can switch your 8th grade or whatever grade level with the appropriate pullout or ensemble group. Okay, so the way that I take monthly attendance is something quite simple. I change up some things with colors at times, or insert little marks, or just write with pencil on the side. But as you see here, we have a total number of students of 34. Each one of these is a week. So let's see. So say that in the first week out of 34, Madison, Haley, Mark, and Seth were absent. I've just created little lines right there to tell me that they're not there. And then I write a quick 30 on the top. Then the next day we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 absent. Then the next week you can do your same little mark, just 1, and then we had another student absent again. These two were both out. They probably had the same sickness. And Jada and Jaden. I make sure to mark on each of the students' names when they're absent, just so I can keep my eyes open and make sure that they're doing all right. If it's someone who is consistently absent, I kind of want to investigate that a little bit further. So it's just also so we can kind of keep track of our students. So once we have documented all 4 weeks of the attendance in this class, we take the average of the 4 weeks. This would be the average monthly attendance if you only had one class, but oftentimes we have more than one. So all we do there is take the average monthly attendance for any additional classes, and we add those together to get the average monthly attendance for that grade level. So the total, we had 31 students average in the first 5th grade class. We had 29 students average in the second class. That totals to be 60. We have 2 classes, so we divide that by 2 to find the average of 30. So we can mark that down there. This can be tiny little markings on the side of your attendance sheet. And we go and fill it in. So that was a 5th grade class with the average in September monthly attendance being 30. And so that's how you do it. If you have any questions regarding the monthly attendance or how to take attendance in your class, always feel free to reach out to cohort members or reference this video or reach out to your IS. I hope that helped.